Why pay $15 for a restaurant veggie burger when you can make these at home for around $1.39 each, and they actually taste like a burger? Today, we're making a smoky black bean burger that's juicy on the inside, crispy on the outside, and it doesn't fall apart on you. And I'm using one secret ingredient to give that straight off the grill flavor, so stay with me to the end to see what it is. First, drain and rinse your black beans, then spread them on a lined baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes until they look a little dry and some have popped. While the beans dry, mix 1 tablespoon of ground flax with 3 tablespoons of water and set it aside to thicken. While that thickens, prep your veggies. Saute your onions, mushrooms, and season well. You're building flavors, so be sure to season as you go along. Pulse cashews in the food processor until they're in small pieces. Add your cool black beans to the food processor, pulse just until the beans are broken up but still chunky. Add this bean mixture to a bowl with your cashews. The biggest mistake? Seasoning after they're formed. Every bite deserves flavor, but flavor starts in a bowl. That's why these burgers taste incredible. Add chopped chipotle peppers, vegan mayo, vegan cheese, panko, black egg, and that secret ingredient, liquid smoke. Mix until everything is evenly combined and the mixture holds together when you press it. If the mixture is too wet, add a little bit more panko, and if it's too dry, add a little bit more mayonnaise or a little splash of water. Shape into as many patties as you like. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a skillet over medium heat. Cook the burgers until deeply golden brown on one side, then flip, cover with a lid, and cook until the second side is brown and the centers are heated right through. This is so good. You get the smokiness right away and that depth of flavor from the mushroom sauteing down with those onions. It is perfection. These come out to about $8.31 for 6 big burgers. That's around $1.39 each, which is way cheaper than restaurant or box veggie burgers. Quick question, what's your favorite burger topping? Something classic, something spicy, or something weird? Drop it in the comments so I can steal your best ideas for my next burger night. If this was helpful, tap the like button so more people can find plant-based budget-friendly dinners, and subscribe for more recipes that make weeknights easier on your wallet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.